What's up, y'all? It's your girl, and I am back for another video. Today's video is a curly hair unit from Nadula Hair Company. Y'all, I'm super excited to get into this unit because I absolutely loved these pre-done baby hairs. It makes my life a lot easier, okay? Look at that. Ooh, the curl on those is just so pretty. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into this cap construction. We have ear-to-ear lace. We've got our normal comb construction, 2 in the temple, 1 in the back. And I love this unit even more because this is a glueless lace unit. I love a good glueless lace because I'm trying to protect my edges. Okay, honey, I don't want to be bald-headed this summer. Okay, I want to look cute. I want a nice protective style, but I want to keep and save and preserve my natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with these little cute scissors I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the tabs by the ears first. Those are always the ones that make it difficult for you to put on your unit. So if you're a beginner like me and you have a hard time cutting the lace or it's moving around a lot, cut the ear tabs off first. And then sometimes I will wait until I have the unit on and then cut the lace. This time I'm going to go ahead and just cut it off because I don't have the type of patience that it's going to take to do it the other way today. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off, and I'm making sure to not cut it in a straight line. I'm trying to cut it in a like wavy type, manner so that way you can't see that lace line. It's easier to hide when it's not in a straight line. I'm going to go ahead and slide that thing in the back, pull my glueless strap back, and then adjust the unit. It's super easy to throw this unit together. I love a quick throw and go. Y'all know I say that all the time for these units. Any unit that's going to be a throw and go, it's going to be all right with me. Okay, honey? So now the next part is just to go ahead and figure out how I want to do these baby hairs. I haven't been really into baby hairs lately, so, it's a give or take. But with this unit, it's the baby hairs were already there for me, and they're so pretty. I love a good curly baby hair. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and figure out how I want to do that. Okay. Don't judge my little brush there, my baby hair edge brush, but I need to clean it or throw it away and get another one. I don't know. But, that's what I had. So that's what I'm using. I'm liking the way it looks. I love how easily it lays down. The fact that it comes pre-curled just skips a step. You can have your baby hairs, but you don't have to worry about curling it or flipping it the right way. All you have to do is go in with your gel of choice or your edge control of choice, and then just slick them down however you want them to be slicked down. I will say that I really wish that the baby hair across the front was not all the way around from ear to ear. They have baby hairs all the way from ear to ear, because I'm not going to do baby hair all from ear to ear. I would only do like a little bit by the temple or a little bit by the middle. And so, I would wish there would be like a more natural baby hair pre-lasered situation, but I do love the fact that they come pre-curled. Saves a lot of steps. So I'm just going to do a quick throw over. And as you guys can see, this unit is a quick throw and go type situation. You throw it on, you put it in a style, and boom, you're good to go. As you can see, I used no glue. I used no sprays, nothing, just my band, and I can slide it on and slide it off as I so choose. So I love this look. I always like my curly hair to be flipped over. Honestly, all my hair. I don't know why I like a nice little bang in the front. I'm going to go in with some rose water mousse. This is my favorite, and it smells so good. Just to kind of thicken those curls a little bit, make it more full, and define the curls a little bit more. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb, my mousse, and I'm kind of just, got some of that on my arm. And I'm just combing through to kind of separate those curls a bit and make my unit more full. I love a good bouncy full unit, y'all. Okay, you just cannot beat it. So I'm gonna go and do that all around the unit and kind of just get it customized the way I like it. But it didn't take much. It doesn't take much to customize this and make it your own. You can wear it sideways, you can wear it middle part, you can pull it back and pull it up into a ponytail for work or for school or for whatever you needed, mom duties, errands, working out, whatever. This is a beautiful hairline, beautiful baby hair line. I just love it. And then I also like doing the updo. This is a 360 look type unit, so that you can pull it up in the back and don't have to worry about any lace showing or any tracks showing. It looks nice and put together back there. I love it. I love pulling it up and being able to have that option as well. Y'all be sure to check this unit out and others like it from Nadula Hair Company by checking out the link down below in the description box. Also be on the lookout for a discount code for some money off. And until next time, y'all, bye.